Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune Audi A3 step by step. Begin by gathering your tools and safety gear and back up stock ECU data immediately. Check tire pressure, fluid levels, and battery charge to avoid interruptions. Create a simple checklist for stages: hardware, software, and road testing. Take photos of baseline settings and keep a log of each change. This makes troubleshooting smoother and keeps the process friendly and predictable. Gather parts and plan upgrades before altering ECU maps to ensure gains are reliable and safe. Begin with airflow improvements like intake and exhaust, then address fueling with injectors or a high-flow pump if needed. Inspect boost plumbing and intercooler sizing, and replace worn parts to prevent detonation. Test each hardware change independently, log results, and only then proceed to incremental software adjustments for consistent, measurable improvements in power and drivability. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful content. Quick recommendation: after a long day wrenching, toss a little Tree's black ice in your car to stay focused and enjoy the drive. The scent is sharp and clean and oddly motivating. I put mine in every project car, and it lightens the mood during test runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by saving the stock file and documenting baseline performance metrics like 0 to 60 and boost levels. Make conservative edits to timing, fuel, and boost, then flash one change at a time and test on a short road loop. Monitor AFR, knock, and coolant temps closely and revert if any risks appear. Keep detailed notes and compare logs to ensure each tweak improves power without sacrificing reliability or economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.